Hey everyone, it's Miles and Giles here, and we have some really exciting news to share with you. When we started Mindful Chef, we wanted to make healthy eating easy for everyone and good for the planet too.
Yeah, and as a very, very proud B Corp, we asked ourselves, what more could we do as a business to help you make better choices about your own carbon footprint?
So we became the first recipe box company to launch a low carbon range of recipes.
We teamed up with the brilliant brains at Climate Partner and put our menu to the test, completing a full life cycle assessment on every recipe. We looked at absolutely everything, including growing ingredients, transportation, production, packaging, cooking, and the storage and waste.
From our farmers on the south coast of England, the fuel in the delivery vans, all the way to you, our community of mindful chefs, cooking the recipes at home and disposing of waste. Every week, you'll find a range of low carbon recipes which you can add to your box, along with all of your favourites. Just look out for the green label on the menu. More recipes will come just as soon as we got them through the kitchen and the maths.
This is all part of our goal to reach net zero by 2030 and help you make better choices. So every time you select a recipe from our low carbon range, you know you're doing your bit to help fight climate change.
With little steps, dinner really can make a world of difference.